According to recent industry reports, airlines collected a record $148 billion in fees in 2024. Fees for things travelers already had access to, services that were supposed to be free, and upgrades they were already entitled to. This isn't incompetence, it's strategy, and I'm about to expose the one secret that airlines spend millions trying to keep quiet because it instantly saves you hundreds of dollars per trip. Hey travelers, welcome to FamVista. I'm revealing 12 airport secrets airlines are keeping quiet about. Insider knowledge that separates smart travelers from everyone else standing in those expensive lines. From a hidden government program that makes TSA PreCheck look outdated, to manipulation tactics airlines use during gate changes, to a water bottle trick that saves hundreds per year. These secrets will transform how you navigate every airport. Secret number 1 alone will change how you think about airport security forever. And by secret 12, you'll understand exactly how airlines have been playing psychological games with your wallet. Hit subscribe and let's expose what they don't want you knowing. Secret number 1, Global Entry, the ultimate TSA PreCheck upgrade secret. Everyone talks about TSA PreCheck, but Global Entry is the secret upgrade that most travelers ignore. For only about $20 more than TSA PreCheck, Global Entry includes all PreCheck benefits plus expedited customs and immigration when returning from international trips. Instead of standing in long customs lines after a long flight, you walk up to a kiosk, scan your passport, and you're done. If you travel internationally even once a year, this program is a total game changer. The application process includes an interview and background check, but once approved, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without it. Global Entry is valid for 5 years and works in multiple countries through trusted traveler programs. Secret number 2, the water bottle money saving system. Airport drinks cost $5 to $7 per bottle, but there's a simple hack that saves money on every trip. TSA allows empty water bottles through security, and most airports now have water refill stations past the checkpoint. Bring a reusable bottle, fill it up after security, and you've got free hydration for your entire journey. This saves money, reduces plastic waste, and keeps you properly hydrated during flights without constantly bothering flight attendants for tiny cups. Seasoned travelers carry collapsible bottles that take up almost no space when empty. Some even bring electrolyte packets to create their own sports drinks at a fraction of airport prices. Secret number 3, the overbooking compensation auction strategy. When flights are oversold, airlines start with lowball offers for volunteers, but if you wait, it becomes an auction. That initial $200 voucher can quickly climb to $800, $1,200, or even $1,500 plus hotel, meals, and seat upgrades on the next flight. The key is patience and flexibility. If you have wiggle room in your schedule, let the offers climb before volunteering. Get everything in writing: your new flight details, compensation amount, and confirmed seat assignment. Here's what most travelers don't know. If you're involuntarily bumped, federal law requires real cash compensation, not just vouchers. Depending on your delay, it can be up to 4 times your one-way ticket price, capped at $1,550. But you have to know how to ask for it. Secret number 4, the gate change manipulation tactic. Gate changes aren't always about logistics. Sometimes they're about passenger management. When flights are overbooked, airlines use a tactic called passive offloading, where they quietly change gates without properly notifying all passengers. Miss the new gate because you weren't informed? They give your seat away and claims you didn't show up. No federal compensation required because technically you were at the airport. Your defense? Download your Airlines app and enable push notifications. These apps alert you about gate changes before they're announced over loudspeakers. Also, don't rely solely on the app. Physically check departure boards every 30 minutes. Screenshot your original gate assignment as evidence if things go wrong. Secret number 5, airport lounge access you're already eligible for. You don't need first-class tickets to access airport lounges. Many travelers already qualify and don't realize it. Check if your credit card includes a Priority Pass membership. Cards like Chase Sapphire Reserve, MX Platinum, and even some business credit cards include free lounge access. Some airline credit cards provide lounge access after spending thresholds. Even a day pass can be worth it. $50 for unlimited food, drinks, Wi-Fi, and comfortable seating often pays for itself if you're facing a long layover. The real value isn't just comfort, it's productivity. Fast Wi-Fi, quiet spaces, and real food mean you can actually get work done or rest properly, instead of fighting for space at crowded gates. Secret number 6, the seat map refresh strategy. Airlines constantly update their seat maps as passengers cancel, reschedule, or get moved around. Better seats like exit rows, bulkhead seats, and even premium cabin spots sometimes open up without extra cost, but you have to know when to look. Check your seat selection 24 hours before departure during online check-in, then refresh again 2 to 3 hours before your flight. As passengers miss connections or change plans, prime real estate becomes available. Use tools like Seat Guru to identify which seats have hidden perks, like extra legroom or distance from bathrooms. A few clicks can upgrade your entire flying experience without spending a dime. But timing is everything. Secret number 7, the 24-hour flight booking escape clause. Airlines are required by federal law to offer a 24-hour cancellation window for flights booked directly through their website, but they don't advertise the safety net. This means you can lock in a fare while continuing to shop for better deals. If you find a cheaper flight within 24 hours, cancel your original booking with no penalty and book the better price. This rule doesn't apply to third-party booking sites like Expedia or Kayak, so always book directly with the airline to access this protection. Smart travelers use this as a price-matching tool. Book the flight you want, set price alerts on multiple platforms, and if prices drop within 24 hours, you can cancel and rebook at the lower rate. Secret number 8, USB charging port security risk strategy. Those convenient USB charging ports at your gate aren't just there for convenience, they're potential security threats. Cybercriminals can install malware on these ports that automatically downloads to your device the moment you plug in. This attack is called juice jacking, and it can steal your photos, contacts, passwords, and even install tracking software on your phone. The FBI has issued warnings about this exact threat in airports and hotels. Your defense? Bring a wall adapter and only use electrical outlets. If you must use a USB port, use a USB data blocker, a small device that allows charging while preventing data transfer. Better yet, bring a fully charged portable battery pack and avoid airport charging altogether. Secret number 9, safe airport Wi-Fi usage strategy. That free airport Wi-Fi isn't really free. You're paying with your personal data. The moment you connect, airports collect your email, phone number, browsing habits, and location data to serve you targeted ads, sometimes for weeks after your trip. Here's the safe approach. Use a VPN before connecting to any airport network. Services like NordVPN or ExpressVPN encrypt your data and hide your browsing activity. Even better, use your phone's hotspot feature instead of airport Wi-Fi when possible. If you must use airport Wi-Fi, never enter sensitive information like banking details or passwords. The network isn't just collecting marketing data, it's also vulnerable to hackers who target travelers. Secret number 10, the security line psychology hack. Without TSA PreCheck, you can still cut your security wait time using basic psychology. Most people are right-handed and naturally veer right, making left-side security lines consistently shorter and faster. But here's the updated reality for 2025. TSA policies vary by airport and scanner type. Some newer machines allow everyone to keep shoes on, while older scanners still require removal. The key is observing which lines have the newest equipment. These move fastest regardless of left or right position. Avoid lines with lots of families or infrequent travelers. Look for business travelers with small carry-ons who know the drill. This simple observation can save you 15 to 30 minutes during peak travel times. Secret number 11, the strategic gate positioning power play. Everyone crowds around their assigned gate, fighting for charging stations, but seasoned travelers use strategic positioning. You don't have to sit at your actual gate to catch your flight. The best spots are unused gates with no scheduled departures for 2 to 3 hours. Early morning and late night flights leave entire gate areas empty, with plenty of outlets, comfortable seating, and zero crowds. The critical part, download your Airlines app and enable push notifications. Set an alarm to your phone 45 minutes before boarding. Position yourself within a 3 to 5 minute walk of your actual gate in the same terminal section. Look behind and under seats at unused gates, avoiding areas near busy restaurants where crowds migrate. Only use wall outlets, never USB ports. Airport USB stations can be infected with malware that steals your data. This works because you're not abandoning your flight, you're just refusing to be trapped in overcrowded, under-equipped waiting areas when better options exist steps away. Secret number 12, the early arrival spending trap. Arriving early is a necessary evil, but long waits often lead to impulse purchases, aiding airlines and retailers at overpriced prices. Plan your pre-flight time wisely to minimize untended spending. Arrive early but bring entertainment and snacks. Download movies before you leave home, pack non-liquid snacks in your carry-on. The goal is to be prepared, not to be an easy target for airport retailers. You now have insider knowledge that transforms you from airline victim to informed traveler. These 12 secrets, from global entries' hidden power to strategic gate positioning, from overbooking auctions to psychological security line tricks, give you control over your entire airport experience. Here's your implementation challenge. Pick 3 secrets and use them on your next trip. Start with the water bottle hack and seat map refresh. They're simple but powerful. Then add the security line psychology and gate positioning strategy. Watch how your stress drops and your savings grow. Remember, every time you use these secrets, you're not just saving money, you're taking back control from a system designed to profit off your confusion and rush. You're now equipped to travel like an insider, not a target. If this opened your eyes to how airlines really operate, hit that like button and share this with someone tired of being overcharged at airports. Subscribe to FamVista because we're just getting started exposing what the travel industry doesn't want you knowing.